Hi there. Good day to all. Today I would like to introduce some YouTube channel which I often watch. They are arranged in no particular order. Let's start with Coin Bureau, one of my favorite YouTube channels. Their videos are always very well made and informative. You can see the effort that they put into this. And they are funny as well. If you would like to learn more about crypto and the corresponding crypto markets, then this is the channel for you. And apparently the big kahunas of the channel is simply called Guy. Yes, same as in that movie. Although it seems that he needs to get a better razor. Anyway, I honestly enjoy their content. They do make videos nearly every day. And I have learned a lot from those videos. Never a bore when watching their videos. They do have a store where you can purchase certain merchandise to support the channel. Of course, only do that if you find that they deserve it. The next channel which I frequent often is Altcoin Daily. Apparently the channel is run by two brothers Aaron and Austin Arnold. The main reason why I like this channel is that they make videos on what is happening in the crypto world daily. So if you want snippets or news on what is happening on the day, then you should come back daily. They do articles mainly in an easy-to-view format. And most aren't too long. Definitely great for the busy viewer. In fact, they inspired me to make all my crypto videos. Of course, my standard is not on par with theirs. If you like opinions, reviews, news and market analysis, this is the channel to be. I have been watching their videos since I started into the crypto craze. And no, they do the entire crypto sphere, not just only altcoins. They love Bitcoin as well. The next channel which I like is Whiteboard Crypto. Their main aim is to bring crypto education to the public. I think their videos are just wonderful. If you don't understand a certain crypto project or topic, they are here to help. And their videos are designed with those animations and comes with examples which helps make it much easy to understand. If I find topics which can be confusing, I usually try their channel. They have created tons of videos already. So I am pretty sure they will have everything you need to understand the crypto world better. Sometimes I just browse through their videos just to learn more. They do put a lot of effort in their videos. However, they are actually inspired by yet another YouTube channel called Finematics. I think these educational channels seldom get the recognition they deserve. They contribute a lot to our knowledge. So go and give them some love so that they will make more videos for us to better ourselves. So if you like animations and need to virtualize things, then this is the channel for you. The next channel I want to talk about is Full Value Dan. It started out as a lifestyle blog and have recently switched to going crypto and finance. Money baby, money. Just like my channel which started out as something else, but crypto is just so interesting and dare I say rewarding. As you can see, nowadays most of his videos are on crypto now. He makes videos on happenings in the crypto world, reviews on exchanges, new tokens or coins, lending platforms and more. And his smile is pretty infectious. I guess people in the crypto world take themselves too seriously at times. I am not gay, but I do have a man crush on him. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, head down to his channel and get his crypto tips. The next channel is the one I am most excited about. This is the channel that got me into mobile crypto mining. You know, trying to earn passive income with too much effort? This is a channel from Rosenwald. It started out as a way to learn more about finance and how to get yourself out of debt. But soon it naturally moved more into cryptocurrencies. And why don't you like making some money not doing anything? That is what his channel is all about. This is where I learned about Pi Network, although it has been out for over a year already. And that got me started going out to try out all sorts of weird mining apps. So yes, this channel got me into the rabbit hole. However, I think it is still a very good channel. His reviews are very detailed and Christian seldom sugarcoat anything. If it is not good, he will tell you it is not good. That is why I like his channel a lot. Oh, his nose is also pretty amazing. He uploads every week. More or less. Anyway, this is the end of the video. The channels listed here are all in the description below. Please like and subscribe. I make videos on cryptos and trading. Take care.